Hey, stop scrolling. Let me teach you how to say the names of your family relationships in Ezza. You will also practice such sentences you can use when talking about your family. Let's go straight to it. Father is Nna, mother Ne, sibling Nwunne, brother Nwunne nwoke, sister Nwunne nwanyị, child nwata nshi, children ụmụegerema, son nwata nwoke, daughter nwata nwanyị, husband ji, wife bụ nye, family ezinụlọ. Let us make short sentences with some of the names of the family relationships. Nna m bụ Anyigo means my father is Anyigo. Nne m bụ Nwite means my mother is Nwite. Ezinụlọ anyị hachi means our family is big. Nwunne m bụ Okpobemat means my sibling is a good person. Let us use it in a conversation. When you want to say, how is your family in Ezza, you say it this way. Nde maka ezinụlọ or nde maka ndị ụlọ. They are fine is always the answer. They are fine means wedokwari. Do you have children means ị nwere ụmụegerema. Yes, I have 2 children means nwere ụmụegerema ala abụọ. Let us go into everyday Ezza words, the things around us and the common places we visit. Let us start with everyday objects. House, ụlọ, door, ụzọ, chair, ekwechi. If you don't call it ekwechi, you call it oshanod. Bed, ugboshi. Book, ekwo. Water, mini. Food, nri. Clothes, uwe. Soup, ohwe. Spoon, ago. Let's now talk about the common places we visit in Ezza. 1. Home. Home means ibe. School, ụlọ. Church, ụlọụka. Market, asha. Farm, ege. Town, ukwumba. Road, ụzọ. In Ezza, you might hear phrases like njere asha. It means I went to the market. Or nshilolekwo, meaning I am from school. Let us make some common sentences in Ezza and also explain it in English. Nno libem means I am at my home. Magekwo lolekwo means I am reading at school. Kudemini kweka means wash your hand with water. Nriowa latoto means this food is delicious. Nnam jeruleg means my father went to the farm. Okay, let us go into short conversations with it. Awe bijer, where did you go? Nje rasha, I went to the market. Nde gashado, how was the market? Odure, it was good. Repeat the whole conversation. Now, you can name everyday things and places in Ezza. Congratulations. Try describing your surroundings at home using Ezza like Olo, Ushanod, Uri. If there is anyone you find difficult to name in Ezza, you can drop it in the comment section. I will help you out with it. God bless you.